All right, those are my Rhodes dinner rolls. I have 2 sticks of melted butter that we're gonna drizzle right on top of our dinner rolls. We need a lot of butter for this because this is gonna be a buttery, delicious dessert. Oh my. Now I am using these dinner rolls because they are fluffy and light, and that is what's needed for this dessert. You can use biscuits, but it won't get the same effect. So I really recommend using those rolls. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, let's just make sure we get our butter all used up. Perfect. Now I'm coming in with some ground cinnamon, and we are going to be generous with our cinnamon, making sure that each roll gets a nice coating of cinnamon. And this might seem like a lot of cinnamon, but what we're doing with this is going to be so flavorful, so sweet, and just the perfect dessert. So easy to make for neighbors, or if you're going to a holiday party, or if you just want some sweetness at home, this is going to be for you. Ooh. All right. And yep, I said sweetness. So we have our granulated sugar, and we are going to do a nice sprinkle of sugar on our rolls just like so. And like I said, this is going to be sweet. So I'm just going to do a couple little drizzles of our sugar on there. Now you can measure, and I'll put some measurements down below, but I am just eyeballing it because I want this to come together super fast and super quick. So this is how I like to do it. And also, if your measurements are a little off, it doesn't hurt nobody. All right, that looks great. Okay, I have my plastic wrap here, and we have some Pam that we're gonna spray right on the plastic wrap. And then we're gonna lay this right on top of our rolls, just like so. This will help our rolls rise. We're gonna leave this on the countertop just like so. All right, we let our dinner rolls rise for about 3 hours on our countertop. We're taking off that plastic wrap, and these look absolutely perfect. Call me crazy, but I'm gonna do one more sprinkle of cinnamon just so that top layer gets a good generous amount of cinnamon. But you can skip this if you don't want too much cinnamon, but trust me, this is what the recipe calls for. All right, now we're gonna put this in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. All right, while those are in the oven, I'm gonna grab a medium-sized bowl, and I have here some softened Philadelphia cream cheese, and this is 8 ounces that we're putting right into our bowl. Next, I'm coming in with some powdered sugar, and we're gonna add about 1 cup of powdered sugar, but if you don't like it too sweet, you can do less. All right, we're just eyeballing it. That's how I like to measure things. I eyeball everything, measure with your heart. Now I'm gonna add some vanilla extract. I'm gonna add about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Perfect, and that's just 1 lid full if you're using the Spice Islands vanilla. Last but certainly not least, we have our whole milk, and we're just adding a splash of whole milk. We don't need too much. Like, that's plenty. It's about like 1 tablespoon of milk. I have my whisk here, and because that cream cheese is nice and softened, it's easy to mix together with that powdered sugar, that vanilla, and that milk. And we are creating the most delicious cream cheese icing to go with those yummy cinnamon, butter, sugar dinner rolls we have in there. It's gonna create something so delicious, and you cannot skip this step. The icing is required for this super easy dessert, and look how easy the icing comes together. So we're just gonna mix this together until we have no more cream cheese chunks in there. All right, look how perfectly smooth that looks. This is exactly what we want for our cream cheese icings. So we're gonna keep this to the side until our rolls are ready. All right, it smells so good in here. Let's check it out. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. These look so good. Oh my goodness. All right, these are inspired by the Dollywood cinnamon bread. So let's go ahead and add our icing, which is a requirement for this bread. And we're just gonna kind of drizzle it on top. It is thin enough. Just add milk until it is thin enough to drizzle. But this is gonna be so good, and it's so easy to make. You just need those Rhodes dinner rolls, some sugar, and some cinnamon. I'm sure you have pretty much the majority of it in your kitchen besides those rolls. So just grab some rolls from your local grocery store. They're just in the freezer section. And then you have a delicious treat to gift your neighbors, to gift your friends, and to eat for yourself. Don't those look so good?
Oh my gosh, I want a whole thing.
I mean, when I went to Dollywood, I ate a whole thing by myself. So don't tell anyone. And they're best served warm with that icing. Oh, and they're perfectly cooked. Do you see that?
Oh, nice.
With the butter, the sugar, the cinnamon, the icing. Enjoy.
Are they good?
All right. I can't compete with Dollywood, but I mean, this is pretty close. You guys have to try these.